what's been going on with this 67 Camaro this week? It looks like you got it back half all down the metal.
Trying to get it closed. It's all stripped. Still focusing on some gaps, trying to get our gaps better. We had to go in and heat, stretch this all out. Now it's still not 100% perfect where we want it yet, but we had to do both sides. End up having a gap probably ½ inch wide. On the sides, the back is fine, but kind of the same token. So this is the original piece. So what we use is a paint paddle gap off of this piece, and with that being original, we know that that's relatively square, so we get that lined up first, and then we work our sides, knowing that there was quarters put on it. So been doing that, trying to get everything down the middle so we can get start our bodywork process on it. It ain't been too bad. We got a few things we got to do. And you always find fun stuff that ain't welded. That should be really solid all the way through there because that's structural. It's not cosmetic thing, it's structural. So this all needs to be solid. And so you see there, that's open. That needs to be solid because once you go and you get all that metal work and stuff, it has a tendency to flex right there. That ain't prepped right, it can crack and all that other stuff. Then we found that. That's beautiful. Look at that, I got beat that one.
It's filled with Bondo filler?
Filled with filler, yeah. So we'll metal that up. Get that good to go. And you just can't, doing what we do, we can't put our product over top of something like that, because if it comes back, it makes us look bad, and initially we didn't do it to start. So
and we're gonna get the doors, the fenders, and the cowl, all that sandblasted.
Yeah. Probably have to do
the hood.
Cases in the filler in there. Need to double check it and see, but it's been about it. Got new body bushings. We replaced the body bushings in it. Tyler put those in yesterday. We noticed there was a little twist in it, and that's another key. Make sure you got good body bushings. Make sure everything's tight, because that can mess with your alignment in the front. If it's too high, it can tweak that radiator support up like this, making your door gaps all messed up.
So you got your door gaps set yet? Pretty good, or?
For the most part. We still got a little fiddling to do.
How about the other side? Any problems on the other side?
We haven't mocked that side up yet. Once we realized we wanted to change the bushings, we kind of held off, and then the fact of getting blasted, so it had to be ripped apart anyway. Once we get everything in line and all that metal work, everything where it needs to be, we can start rolling on it.